Hello everyone, welcome to BMC Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we will learn how to delete and restore the specific data type configurations for any connectors. Here I have configured the Eternity connector to stream the data, events, metrics and topology. Now, I am not using the metrics stream anymore. I would like to delete the metrics data type. So, click on the metrics arrow button. You can see the two options to start the data stream for matrix and to delete the matrix data type. Click on the delete button for matrix. So now you can see the matrix data type was deleted. Later, if I would like to add the matrix data type alone to the existing eternity configuration, click on the plus symbol, select the existing eternity configuration, select the existing destination. Now you can see alerts, matrix and topology data type options for eternity. As we have the alerts and topology configuration present, unselect these two data types, keep the matrix data type, click on the create connectors, create distributors, click on save stream. See, now the matrix data type was restored to the existing eternity configuration. So these same steps can be applied to other connectors as well to restore existing data types. Thanks for watching this video.